What's going on, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts, and I'm going to do another cash out on a different app. Now, you see every day I'm dropping videos daily, just all these cash outs and tutorials and things like that. So this app is called Buzzbreak. The link to it will be in the description. You can click on it. You'll get a bonus once you sign up and create an account, and you can make a lot of easy money doing this. I'm gonna show you how easy it is to make money with this site. I've made videos on this before, but let's get into it. You see here, you just received 60 points. That's my login bonus. Every day that you log in consecutively, you'll get points. And I just actually finished my streak. And when your streak, starts over, you start back at 1. And so now I'm at 1, and your day 1 streak is 60 points. So I'm gonna click got it. Now you see here, those are the points that you get every day for 7 days, just continuously adding up. Now, let me show you how you make money with this site. All right, so you can go over here to earn. You got videos, right? Videos, and it's basically the same thing as earn, but you just kind of look at the videos like this, or the news articles. But this is what I do. I'm in my back to videos, and you just look at a video, just click on it like that. It'll play, bang, just earn 5 points. I ain't even really watch the video. I just let it kind of sit there. You know what I'm saying? Going back, do another video right here. Just let it sit for a minute. You see that little bar on around the little gift, the bar going around? That's you basically getting credited for it. Then once it stops, you'll get your money or your points. You see, it probably takes a little minute for it to come through, but let me see. Bar still going right there. Like sometimes you see the points pop up, sometimes you won't, but you're still getting credited for it. And again, you just keep watching videos. But let me go back to actually show you that I'm actually getting credited for. Let me show you my wallet real quick. Show you how much I have in my account. I have $10.46 in my account, and today I got 232 points. So again, right now I'm at 232. So let me show you that I'm actually getting credited for this. Let me go back. Just find another random video real quick right here. Like I say, you just click on it. 5 points. Sometimes they'll credit you before, but then you just find another video. Very simple to do, y'all. Very simple. So you see that I got 5 points for that last video. Now I'm on another one. This is something about, weird spiders. So I'm just here to get the points. All right, so do you see the bar finished? And let me go back and see on my wallet how much I got now. 237. So the thing is like you have to watch a certain amount of videos. Sometimes it's like 2, sometimes it's like 3, but you'll get points. And the thing about it is it's so many videos on here that this app it is so easy to use. I mean, very, very easy. All you're doing is basically watching videos, and not even a lot of videos on there to watch. I mean, not a lot of what I'm trying to say. Not a lot of hassle. I mean, you just click on the video and you just got credited. So I just clicked on and got credited. They also have at the top have this little spin wheel. Click on that. It's an opportunity to make even more money. An ad will pop up, so you can just exit out of this real quick. Let me see right there. Exit that. And this is an opportunity, to get some more points. Show you how this works. You're getting a free spin. I got 11 tickets left, free spins. So I'm just basically, being active on the site. Just spin. And you get 3 free things. You get another free spin for that one. So let me click again. You really win a good amount of times when you have a good amount of tickets. But I'm just showing you that I'm actually going to win some points eventually. At least 10 points. There you go right there. You win 10 points. You know what I'm saying? And this will come to you every time you're just being active on the site. You'll get points. So, I mean, I'm just spinning the bar, getting points. Very, very easy. You're not going to win every time, obviously, but, just opportunity for you to, rack up even more points. So you get how that works. I'm not going to do the other 5. I'm going to say that for later. But if I refresh, I should have more points now. 257, my bad. So now I'm going to cash out, and you have a minimum cash out on this site is $5. All right, so I have $10.46. I could cash out twice, but I think you have to wait for the first payment to process, then cash out again, if I'm not mistaken. just because they want to keep the site fluid, because there are a lot of sites that, like this, where you're getting paid to watch videos, and everybody just basically using the site so well that the site kind of runs out of money, and they stop paying. So in this site, you have to request your payout. It might take a day or two for it to get to you, and after that goes through, then you can cash out again. That just keeps the fluidity of the site running smoothly. So I'll go over to cash out again. The ad will pop up, and you just pick what you want: PayPal or Venmo. I want PayPal, and like I said, it's a minimum of $5 cash out, and I'm gonna click cash out right here. And it says you will receive this cash out within 168 hours, which is almost like a week. But the thing is, I usually get it, within 2 days. They just give themselves plenty of time to get it to you. That way you don't send any support tickets when it's like day, 2 or something like that. Because some people get real impatient when they come to cash outs, which is understandable because it's your money. But they just want to give themselves time. So 168 hours, but they usually get it done sooner than that. So I just want to show you that. Like I said, the link to this this app is in the description. Download it on your phone, your tablet, and just get paid to watch videos. You can do the spin wheel like I showed you, and I mean that's basically what it is. You're just really getting paid to do simple tasks and really racking up. Like you see here, I got $10.46 just doing videos and spinning the wheel. Easy money. I've been paid by them a few times. I have videos on my channel about this site, so definitely look at those, and I'll show you payment proofs in those videos as well. So I definitely encourage you guys to sign up. There's a referral link. If you use that link, the referral code, you'll actually get a bonus, even more bonus using that, as opposed to just signing up regularly. So definitely use the code in the description. All the information you need is in the description to get started with it, get the bonus and all that good stuff, and just start cashing out soon. Just watching videos and spinning the wheel. All right, so like I said, sign up for it. If you're new to my channel, definitely subscribe, like, share, comment, all that good stuff. If you're interested in knowing how to make money completely free, all online, on your phone, your laptop, your tablet, all that good stuff, that's what my whole channel is dedicated to. So I highly encourage you guys to get involved with it. And always remember, every penny counts.